Hello everyone, welcome to codingscientist.com. You are watching Cloud IoT Machine Learning on Nano RP2040. So guys, in the previous lesson we installed a IDE, MicroPython IDE called MU, right? You can call it as Mu, any which ways you want. So I hope you guys have installed it, downloaded the exe file which I showed you how to download it from which link, and then you double click and run the program, which takes quite a lot of time. Your system might get hung sometime, but just leave it as it is. It's the first time setup takes a lot of time. So as soon as you run, now in this lesson I will show you some basic configuration what we need to do in order to detect your RP2040 Connect board to the MU IDE. So I will just quickly move on. I will double click the IDE and start it. Okay, and then we will take it forward from there. I hope you guys can see my screen. So this is the window you get when you open the IDE, right? This is one window you will get, first window, and there's a second window. There are two windows here. So in this window, what you need to do, there are multiple options you can see here: RP2040, Python 3, Pygame 0, PyBoard and stuff. You need to select Circuit Python. Please make a note. The first time user, you need to select Circuit Python. Let me repeat, you need to select Circuit Python. Okay, do not select anything else. Select Circuit Python, click OK. And now could not find an entire Circuit Python device. Python file for circuit device are stored on the device. Therefore, to edit the file, you need to have the device plugged in. Okay, my device is plugged in. Until you plug the device, let me just unplug and plug the Nano board again. Let me click OK. And now once you click OK, on the right, let me just minimize this window. Okay, on the right hand side you can see there is a gear kind of symbol, right hand at the bottom. Let me just click current logs. Okay, what are these logs? I think this is the running logs. Anyways, we don't have to worry about it. Let me click on this button. Okay, by default it has selected Circuit Python anyway, but it says no device connected. Why is that? There should be some problem. Let me just click on the boot cell button and see what happens. Circuit Python mode. Let me click the mode button. I did select the Circuit Python. Okay, but it's still not detecting. At the bottom it should show our device name. Let me click this. It's just showing up the logs, nothing else. Can you guys figure out what exactly could be the problem? But anyways, let me just check mode, new, serial, plotter, zoom in, zoom out, theme, check. Let me try RP2040. This is for Raspberry Pi Pico. But well, we never know because the chip is the same. The microcontroller chip is the same, RP2040. Let's select this and see what happens. Change to RP2040 mode. Okay, here it says RP2040, but we are not able to see Arduino Nano Connect. It should show as Connect. Let me change the mode again. It's not picking up the Circuit Python. That is the problem. It should actually show Circuit Python at the bottom. Let me select CircuitPython again, click OK. Alright, now it says CircuitPython, change to CircuitPython mode. However, I am not able to see the board. That is the problem. Anyways, guys, so though the mode here it says CircuitPython, but we need to see the board name. I mean, that's what I am assuming. Any which ways, what we can do is I will just do some troubleshooting and get back to you, because these lessons what I am making, while I myself I am trying to troubleshoot and do some R&D. That's the way even I am learning. It's all about R&D, right? So I'm not a master in everything, guys. It's impossible. I take my interest and try to troubleshoot, try to debug, and then try to make a video to show it to the world that, hey, this is the way to do it. So I will come back to you soon in the next video, but at least you saw how to change the mode in the IDE, right? Either it should be CircuitPython or it should be your Nano 2040 chip. But according to me, it should actually select this board. We have written the CircuitPython firmware inside this in the previous lesson, right? We did download the firmware and put it into this. That was successful, right? That's pretty much working. But this IDE should detect actually. Anyways, it is detecting CircuitPython at the bottom, but it's not showing up RP2040 Connect and kind of thing. So I will come back to you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.